Alright, so this is what we have. Okay. You know, funny enough, I'm going to work this night and I think I might go to work like this. It looks weird, but it kinda looks fine. Ah, they'll think I've gone crazy. They will not understand the struggle. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today is going to be hair wash day. All right, I've been trying to transition. Well, I've been transitioning. I've not relaxed my hair in 3 weeks, not 3 weeks, 3 months. 3 months. Okay, I've not relaxed my hair in 3 months. I've actually not washed my hair at all in 3 months. That is so weird. I mean, I did braids. I took the braids off. I did another braid. So this is like 3 months transitioning plus 3 months hair wash day. Okay, look at my hair. I'm still the natural hair, guys. Just. I think it's just here. I think it's here, but it's so cute. Okay, so guys, I'm going to try out like natural hair products. I'm so excited. Okay, like I want to just go on this journey and test my patience because I'm a very like impatient person when it comes to my hair. I just want to like get it relaxed and get moving. But natural hair takes a whole lot of patience. Okay, so I'm going to be trying out like a natural hair product. Okay guys, so this is from Miel and this is their pomegranate and honey line. Okay, ooh. Guys, I have a question and I need answers in the comment section. Okay, so do you use shampoo and use conditioner and then use deep conditioner, or do you just use shampoo and deep conditioner? I am so confused. So if you're like a natural hair queen, all right, just tell me in the comment section because today I'm just going to use the shampoo and I'm going to do deep conditioner. I don't know, my hair is like extremely dirty. If you guys can see, I don't know, it's like really dirty and I have so many new growths and it's now so difficult to comb. And the impatient me is telling me to just, why don't you just relax the same? But I'm not. I am transitioning and I'm going natural. Period. Alright, so according to the numerous YouTube videos that I've seen, okay, so the first thing you do, and I'm going to do, is to spray my hair with water. Ow. Okay, do you know what I'm going to do first? I'm going to divide my hair into two. Being on people's channel, I'm going through their Amazon store and I'll be showing you guys some things I got from Amazon. For this one, this water spray bottle ish, I just got it from the dollar store here in my area. So I think it was for just $2.50. So yeah. Okay guys, so now that the hair is all wet, okay, and my face is wet as well as my clothes. Is this what people go through? Oh my god, it's going to be an interesting journey. Okay, so and I think the next thing they do, which I'm going to do of course, because my hair is like extremely dirty. I mean, it's 3 months. Okay, so I'm going to use the shampoo and I think I'm going to wash my hair twice because considering how dirty my hair is, it deserves to be washed twice. And this is of course the Miel pomegranate and honey moisturizing and detangling shampoo. Okay, this is what it looks like and it says cleanses with rich lather and silky slip to pre-detangle thick coily type 4 hair, sulfate free. Okay, I'm just gonna let the water just drench my body because this stuff is not working for me, this towel. Okay guys, so I've opened it and I'm going to take like a generous amount. This is how it looks like. It's so creamy like milk, so nice. Okay guys, one of the things I got from Amazon is this, and this is supposed to be, well, a scalp massager for washing of hair. I mean, I saw it under somebody's video and the person linked the product in the description box, so I'm like, okay. Oh, this feels good. So it's supposed to help. Oh wow, this is nice. This is great. And my hair is like really dirty, so I think I deserve to do this. And by the way, guys, this is like rubber. It's not hard, so it's really soft, but still gets the job done, I guess. That felt good. So I'm going to go ahead and, guys, just look at my edges gone. The last hair I did, the hair you guys have been seeing on my videos, the locks, guys, this thing destroyed my hair. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just wash my hair on the sink because that way is kind of easier right now. Okay guys, so my hair is washed. I'm going to go ahead and do this again because the amount of dirt that came out from my hair was scary, extremely scary. This smells so nice. I don't know the way pomegranate smells, but I'm sure that's the way it smells. It smells so good. My hair will be smelling like pomegranate and honey. Ooh. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair the second time, and then I'll come back and do the deep conditioning, okay? Alright, don't forget to tell me guys in the comment section. I think you do normal conditioning. I don't know. When you do normal conditioning and when you do deep conditioning, do you combine deep conditioning with normal conditioning? Like, do I get to use this conditioner and still use this deep conditioner at the same time, like wash it off, put this, or are there like days? Just tell me, because I try to look for videos and actually most people just do shampoo and deep conditioning, so that's what I'm going to do today. But when on earth do I get to use my normal conditioner? Tell me, because I don't know. I honestly don't know. So number 2, washing. Okay guys, so this is what we have. Okay, my hair is like extremely clean and weirdly soft. This is so weird, but this is what I currently have right now. But I mean, I need to wash my hair. I need to comb my hair. Sorry, I need to comb my hair first. This is what I have. Yep. So I need to comb when I comb my hair, when I'm deep conditioning, then I'm going to know the amount of hair that is going to come out. But for now, that is what came out. So the next step, deep conditioning. Alright guys, so now that I've sectioned my hair into 4 different parts, I'm going to start with this one, and I'm trying to use my hands and detangle it a little bit. So guys, I got this brush. This weird looking brush from Amazon, okay? I've used it, so it's like a little bit dirty. Alright, so it's supposed to be a detangling brush. I saw most of the natural hair, you know, people using it, so I got it. Guys, do you see this? This is detangled. Alright guys, so I'm going to apply the Miel Babasu and Mint. This smells good. And this is that deep conditioner. It says it has protein, moisture replenisher for dry and damaged hair. And it says to restore protein and balance for moisture and growth for all hair types. Then I want to run small. Why are natural hair products expensive? Like really, really expensive. Like on Amazon, some of the natural hair products are like really expensive. I don't know if it's like AUD, like Australian dollar, but seriously, like why? Even natural hair products in the African stores here, guys, really expensive. I think each of these products cost $25 each. Each. I mean, don't you want us to go natural or what? So I'm done with the first part. Ooh, said from root to tip. I think that is what I did, root to tip. So I'm going to just quickly go over the rest of the hair with the same style, okay? Alright guys, so because I'm going to wash it off in the shower, I'm going to comb it back, but this time around in 2 sections, okay? And I'm using this my normal comb. I don't know if this is going to qualify as a white tooth comb because I tried to find it on Amazon and I couldn't find it. I mean, it was not available. Most of them were out of, all of them were out of. That is weird how all of them were out of stock, but I couldn't find them. But I guess this can do. Tell me if this qualifies as a white tooth comb, because if it does, I'm not about to waste my money. But this is great, guys. You see how this comb is just, oh my god. Okay, I'm in love with this deep conditioner, and I've not even like let it sit for 15 minutes yet though. That's not even 15 minutes though. Okay guys, so there's this heat cap thing that I saw online, right? But most of them were not ready to be delivered like really soon. That most of them were to be delivered like towards the end of January and end of December. So they will not feature in this video. But then that's what I saw that was going to deliver like the next day. And I got it. And I'm laughing because it's really fun. Let me show you guys. I think it's in 6 feet. This is supposed to be for deep conditioning. This feels weird. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it the old traditional way. I'm going to wrap my hair inside this because I tried to put this on my hair and it just has so many spaces, and I feel like since I don't have like a heater, a dryer, I don't know, that's all, I need to like really cover my hair. So I'm just going to use this and maybe put this on top of it. I'm going to keep this on my hair for, what does it say, 15 minutes. So I'm going to do 15 minutes countdown from this video. And then I'm going to wash it off in the shower and then come back and finish this step. Oh guys, let me show you guys the amount of hair. Okay guys, so this is the hair that came out from my hair. I mean, I feel like it's supposed to, I mean, I've been on braids twice. Okay, I did the first braid, then I took it out, and I did the second braid, and I didn't let my hair rest. And my front hair, my edges have shown me that I need to take a break from braids till next year. So I'll probably just be, I don't know, trying out stuff with my natural hair and wear wigs. But for now, no more braids. Okay, so this is the amount of hair that I lost, guys. This is it. Okay guys, so this is my hair, washed and conditioned. It feels so soft. My hair has never felt less soft before. It is so soft. I'm going to attempt, emphasis on the word attempt, to do like, I don't know, 2 twist strand-ish thing. I've been watching videos on YouTube and I feel like I understand what they do. So I'm going to attempt to do it, and then I'm going to be using this Miel pomegranate and honey coil smoothie, and it says enhances coils with soft definition for thick coily type 4 hair. Okay, this is what it looks like, guys. This is it. Yep. And also I'm going to go ahead and add this oil. This is from the same brand, Miel. Have I been pronouncing this right? I don't know. This is the rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. Okay, I've used this before. Like when I got it, I used it, and for daily use it's like a no. Okay, the oil, like the one, if I use one for my hair, like let's say on Monday, it lasts. Like I can still feel the oil till like a week plus. So daily use, your hair is going to be dripping with oil. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I like the one. It's easy to like get into your scalp. You know, if you just pick the product, you just put it directly into your scalp. If you want to, or you can put it in your hands. Wish me luck. Okay, if not, this is the last time you will see me, or maybe I'll come back and do an outro. But let's just pray it works out. Okay guys, so this is what I came up with. I don't know if I did it right, but yeah, this is it. So what I did is to, you know, comb it, make sure it's not tangled. It's still wet, so I don't need to like spray more water on it. And then I'm going to use the coil smoothie that I showed you guys earlier. Okay, I'm just going to, this is how it looks like, and I'm going to just apply this generously on my hair. I hope this works out though. I don't know if my hair is like okay enough to do 2-strand twists. I don't know if it's going to coil, and I think one thing I need to get is I need to get like perm rod, because it's really going to help with the coils. What do you guys think? I feel like perm rods will help with the coils. So I'm doing something funny to my hair, right? So I tried to start twisting, you know, immediately, but I did it over and over again, and it would just lose. Okay, I twist and it lose, I twist and it lose, and it's so frustrating. So what I'm doing with my own knowledge, which I don't know if is right, is I'll just like braid it into 3 like this, just so that the roots will be tight. And then I'm going to just divide one into 2, and then I have 2, and then I twist. Yeah, so that's what I did to the rest of them, because I tried to like start twisting from the roots, but I don't know what the problem is. It's not agreeing with me. This is how it looks like. This is what I tried my best to do. So this is going to be the end of this video, guys. I would have loved to do the twister, but I'm going to do it like tomorrow, and this video is going to be like way too long. But you can follow me on Instagram. I'll probably post a picture there. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys. My first natural hair products hair wash day. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.